Good afternoon. Thank you for joining me. My name is Charlene Burlett, and I am a student currently at Bryant and Stratton College. My degree is an associate's in accounting, and I would love to show you my journey. So, in the introduction, I'd like to let you know what our program and institutional outcomes are. They are to interpret and apply general accepted accounting principles, which are known as GAAP, GAAP, and this is to analyze, record, and report financial information. Also, we develop accounting reports for internal and external, and internal is inside the company. This could be for decision making. External, you can look for stockholders, anybody that would like to buy into a company. Then you differentiate between ethical and unethical decisions. You want to make sure that you're making the right decisions, even if it's the wrong for the company. Some people feel they are being persuaded to make a wrong decision, and this is where that comes into play. You also want to select and utilize appropriate technology to complete your accounting functions. So it's going to depend on the company. Some people use QuickBooks, some people use Xero. It's just going to depend on what company and what products they're using. So GAAP, generally accepted accounting principles. This is going to refer to a set of standards and procedures that companies and accountants must follow. The principle of regularity is an accountant must follow the rules and regulations as a standard. This is going to keep everything consistent, which is our next topic. Principle of consistency, applying the same standards throughout reporting to prevent any errors. Accountants are expected to explain any changes or updates that they make. This is going to be done in a journal entry. You don't want to go in and start deleting just because it shouldn't have been there. You're going to want to make a journal entry and explain what you're doing. So, I'm clearing this debt because it never really happened. So you want to make sure you record everything. You don't want to just start deleting. Principle of sincerity, providing accurate information on a company's financial situation. These have 10Ks, so anybody that would like to look at any business, corporation, you can go online and you can pull up their 10K. It's a lot of reading, but there's really good information if you're looking to invest in a company. It also kind of tells you what their future ideas are. Principle of non-compensation, both negative and positive, should be fully reported and transparent. Principle of utmost good faith. These parties remain honest in transactions. So once again, we're not deleting anything. So internal and external users and the accounting methods. So like I said, internal users, this is going to be within the company. And external users, these are the people outside the company, your stockholders, anybody who possibly would like to be in the company, anybody that takes the time to take care of the books, anybody outside the company. So there's accounting methods, and there's 3 of them. There's a cash basis, small companies under 5 million. So anybody that has a gross of 5 million, under 5 million, they can use the cash method. A modified cash or an accrual, which is for C corps and partnerships that gross over 5 million in a year, they must use this. Cash is not allowed. Then there is a hybrid, which is called the modified cash basis. This is not approved by GAAP, and so it's for internal use only. So this is going to help your company make those decisions that we talked about earlier. If you ever want to change your accounting method, you must have it approved by the IRS before doing so. George. Sorry about that. Ethical and unethical behaviors. So it's actually what they call a fraud triangle. So opportunity. If you have weak internal controls and one person is depositing, one person is writing checks, and and one person's doing the reporting, this is a great opportunity for them to take control of your funds. Financial pressure. So employees trying to please bosses In 2015, a proposed rule required companies to show their relationship between the executive pay and the company financial performance. Employees sometimes feel that in order to keep their job, they must make unethical decisions. And rationalization, you basically are okaying in your mind that you can go ahead with this really bad decision. And so we encourage whistleblowing. Companies can train these employees for it. And if you ever think that there is a wrongdoing, you should and you can seek help outside of the company. They actually want you to seek help legally outside of the company so that you don't feel like they can come back on you. So I did a lot of presentations. I've done a lot of courses. I would love for you to stop by my MyCred and see what I have placed on here. I have a lot of portfolio projects that go through and give you an idea of all the things that we have learned and also the outcomes for the program. Learning soft and hard skills at the same time. And these are my sources, and I would really like to thank you for your time, and have a great day.